Hey Dash fellows, welcome back. One of our student, the torturer, for me especially, he got job recently in one of the big company and he need this job very badly. And how he got job, in what struggle he got job, like what make him to get this job, his journey, his hard work, his studies, everything he'll be sharing to you. Let us listen from him.
Thank you everyone for giving me a chance to express myself. I am Shobha Bhosha. I am from electrical and electronics background. I am from Shavigaon Institute of Science and Technology College. The journey which I want to share with you all guys was sometimes happened, sometimes different, but SK sir was there and he didn't lift his hand. He always there like our backbone and supported us. And as an electrical background, it was very tough to get into the IT field. I didn't have a knowledge that in IT field there is also testing. I only thought that there is only development, so I thought I can't go there. But sir told me, no, Papa, there is also a field called testing field. You can go there and do something. Yes, this guy sir taught us the HDLC and manual. Niranjan sir taught us automation. Vishwanath sir taught us SQL and Sachin sir, Shubham sir, Govind sir, and Lokesh sir taught us Java. For them, I am here that I got the job, and thank you once again, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And I hope for believing in me, sir. Thank you, sir. Uh, thank you everyone.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.